Hello and welcome back to another Quiltler 3 tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to edit or update a existing design. This could be one of yours, or it could be one that you import from the community. So I went ahead and imported this barn quilt from the community, and so in my library here under Quilts, you can see that I've got that barn quilt, and I've actually created a monochrome or imported the monochrome design here from the community. So I kind of like the idea of playing with these darker colors. So I'm going to come over here to the quilt and go to the barn quilt, and you can see that now I can go ahead and edit this view. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to choose a preset for my colors, which is the monochrome. So I'm only going to see these colors. And then the next thing I'm going to do is enter the mode that allows me to change the colors or the patterns of this design without editing other aspects of it. And so to do that, I go to Paint, and I specifically want the Paint Replace mode. And so with the Paint Replace mode, you can do updates to existing designs while preserving other pieces of these designs. So if you look closely, you're going to see that these blocks have three things. They've got a fabric, they've got a cut, some of them, which is the half square triangle, and then you've got rotations of the half square triangle. And so I actually want to leave the cut and the rotation the same, but it's the color or the fabric that I want to change. And so I'm going to go ahead and start with this. Let's see, probably, I really like this. I mean, a lot of these darks look very similar. So let's go ahead and start with actually the dark charcoal. And since I've got Paint Replace on, with the fabric color being preserved, I can go ahead and actually just start tapping some of these to replace them. I'm going to kind of replace all of the black fabric there with this. And I could slowly go through and update all of these. And yeah, that's pretty dark. Don't know if I love it yet, but let's go ahead and maybe do even another color here. Let's go with charcoal, and I'll go ahead and update some of these blues to this charcoal. Looking pretty good. Anyways, that is kind of how you use the Paint Replace to just slowly update the design. There's faster ways to do it. Tip of the day is to use the search, and we could actually go ahead and select, let's see, we want to group by pattern name. And so you can see all of the things here, and let's get all of these darks. So we're going to go ahead and select those. And now that we've got those selected, we are going to go ahead and let's use this dark charcoal. And now you see that I've actually updated every single one of those to the dark charcoal. So you can update nice and slow, or you can update the designs a lot faster simply by using the search method to search for the exact blocks that you want to search for, and then by selecting either a fabric or a color to replace on those. So we could even change to a lighter color. So lots of different stuff that you can do there. But anyways, I hope this was helpful. Please let me know, leave me comments or suggestions, and like the video, subscribe, and don't forget to rate the app because that helps us grow.